memorable value stream mapping experience probably is the recency bias coming in. I can just remember the most recent one that we did, and a couple of things come to mind as a result of that. I mean, one was that the leadership team was saying, "Oh, we didn't realize that we've got so many pieces, around hundreds of pieces of work." Actually, it was just over 500 pieces of work in flight, and only 3 of those large initiatives were actually done in 2 years. So that was a big aha and eye opener for them to say, wow. So, and everybody was busy. Everybody was busy. Lots and lots of work in flight, but actually, not a lot was going on. And then the other thing was when we actually went through every single step, and underneath each step, so that we had different team members saying what could go wrong. Not team members as members of one team, but team members as people who sort of were responsible for a bit or a part of that value stream. And you could see that the red sort of growing day by day. So there'll be a couple of things somebody would put in, could go wrong, and then the next perspective, the next. And these weren't things that people were making up. These were actual things that were happening. And then what sort of brought it even more to life is when we started to put the measures on it. So, okay, this is when we started working on it. This is when it finished. It took so many days, and this is how much work is in progress. So that sort of, those were the highlights of actually when people see the data, or you help them see the actual flow or lack of flow. Then it becomes a lot easier for people to say, yeah, we need to change this. This can't be right. We're not happy with this. Let's go and do something about it. But when you don't know, you kind of assume that work is flowing. You can see people busy. Everybody's busy. Everybody's working really hard. So, yep, things must be working. But when they see it, then you say, yep, actually, we need to act on this. And as leaders, that's your responsibility. Of course, everybody, but leaders will take the ultimate responsibility, because that's the system they put in place. So it's about, oh, let's do something about it.